let's create a hole for our key ring in this keychain plate. I want to start by using the cylinder command. I'm going to click on the cylinder and drag it over. The cylinder doesn't quite have the precise sizing option that the box has, but there are ways to get the cylinder exactly the size we want it. You should notice some white and black handles surrounding the cylinder. If you hover over one of the white handles, you'll see the values for the diameter of the cylinder appear. So if you click on one of those handles, you should then be able to go in and precisely change the values in those option boxes as I'm showing on the screen now. At this point, it's probably a good time to explore what we call the view cube. In the upper left corner of the TinkerCAD interface, you should see a cube that says top and front on it. If you click and hold on that view cube, you'll notice you can change your 3D perspective of how you're looking at your project. Also, if you want to look straight on at the front of this project, you can simply click on the word front on the view cube and it will give you a straight view looking at the project from the front. Likewise, if you want to see the project from the right side, you can click on your view cube, turn it a little, and then click on the right option, and now you should be viewing it from the right side. And you can always return to the original 3D perspective by clicking on the little house icon for the home view option, and it should take you back to the original view we had when we started our project. Now let's take and move the cylinder so it's in kind of the upper left corner of our box. So to move something, you want to click on it, but hold down the left mouse button, and that will allow you to drag it into place.